A wonderful good day, and a very warm welcome to this brand new video. Here it's about the blower stages, where only the fourth stage appears to be functioning correctly. And you can actually keep this issue general, but not the specific steps on how to replace the component for it. So, from experience, the blower resistor often breaks. When it runs on the fourth stage, only on the fourth stage and the 1, 2, 3 don't work. I'll explain that to you. So ignition on, nothing happens. Nothing happens at all, and as I mentioned, this issue is pretty common, so I went ahead and ordered the part just to be on the safe side and have it ready here. Replacing the part in the caddy isn't too complicated, but with some cars, you might even need to remove the entire dashboard to gain proper access, which can be quite a hassle. I just say Skoda Fabia, disaster. And with the VW caddy, it's easy to replace this here. We'll replace that too. So the problem in general, but replacing the resistor. Depends on the model, depends on where it's located. Here it's about the VW caddy, and I'd say let's get started. By the way, this is the VW caddy, model year 2005. And of course, it can differ from other caddies. So first, remove the cover here. We can also take a look at the cabin air filter. Given how the spark plugs looked here on this car, the cabin filter likely wasn't changed often. I'm curious to see how it looks. Here, go ahead and install the new blower motor. Yeah, put in the new blower resistor, and it's gonna blow out on us once more. South here we can already see everything clearly. The blower resistor, the cabin air filter, and the blower motor itself. That's how the whole thing is set up. And yeah, take it out, remove the cover. Maybe the flashlight here is shining a bit awkwardly. South. To the side so you can watch here. You could now of course still measure it without replacing the component, but it breaks so often. So, end point. Back in now. They can observe the entire process from this lower angle, and I'll proceed to carefully cycle through each of the steps for them right now. So first step. Second. Third. And the fourth. So the cabin filter. And let's check it out. What's going on? Oh God. Oh God. You might as well drive without a cabin air filter. Yeah, it's closed until it doesn't work anymore. It could definitely get worse, of course, but... Yes, then we have to put in a new one. Oh, maybe I even have one here. Wait, it's a coincidence, but I have one here. Oh, so, now he actually goes in. It's really quite surprising to see him finally making the move after all that hesitation earlier. Now you probably couldn't see anything because my head was completely blocking the view the entire time. I think this cover can be removed. Yes. Pushing the whole thing in required more force, so I had to lie down here. Ball back on, then the whole thing. So, we also did the cabin air filter right away. Yes. Yeah, we also did the cabin air filter right away. I had it in sight, dusty in the bag, but I kept it there for a while. Quickly take it out. Yeah. Don't forget about the cabin air filter. First, you're breathing in that crap. Second, parts get damaged because of it. And yeah, that's a paper filter now, you see. There are different types of filters, but I have the ML video, you gotta check it out, where I replaced the cabin air filter, and I explained the different types of cabin air filters. Paper filters, activated charcoal, and I'm not sure what the other one was, bio blah blah blah, from Manfilter. Yeah. All the purchase links are down in the video description. That's also where I've included the various interior filters from Manfilter that you can get. The different interior filters, everything is below in the video description. All the purchase links. And yes, just like Resistance, when I find it. This one is from Vallejo, and one from Peru came in. But no number on it. Yeah, no big deal. South. I'd say if you like the whole thing, leave me a thumbs up, drop a subscription. Write down in the comments if you've ever had issues like that with the fan. And I'd say, that's it for now. See you soon next time. Bye.